Good day, everybody. Welcome again to Checklist Traveler. For today, we're going to discuss regarding our experience during our voyage from Richards Bay to Krishna Patlam, India, via Hambatuta, Sri Lanka for bunkering. So before we arrive in Hambatuta, 2 days before we arrive, we experienced the RPM of the main engine. Our RPM is 98, and the captain noticed that the RPM, the bridge, is about 101 to 102 until here. So he was worried, and he called me here in the engine room and asked me if I increased the RPM. I said no. So we tried to reduce the engine, the RPM, but the problem is the RPM is not following the command. I reduce, but still the RPM in 101. So we have the alarm in the actuator, this actuator alarm and the power source. So we asked the electrician to check what is happening. We read the book, and we find here the actuator drive unit. This is the actuator drive unit. We switch off. It switch off the power and reset. But it's not following. We have alarm here blinking in red, and we try to reset. When we switch on the power of the actuator drive, the alarm was disappeared. The actuator disappeared, and RPM goes down to 98, and I reduced the RPM until half, and I noticed the fuel rack indicator is only stuck here in about 25 to 27, like that. So I reduce down until we stop. After we stop, we try again to start, but the problem is we have only did slow. We cannot increase anymore. I increase, but the RPM is not following. No more command. Ahead and astern, same. So we decide to call the office, and they instruct me to maneuver in a engine side stand to change over the engine control to emergency maneuvering. Remove this and switch to emergency maneuvering. And this one, if we change over from ahead to astern, also change over, then release the air, change over, and pull out to close the air. Same as we change over to ahead and astern. I'm changing over from engine control to emergency switch, this one. Then we go to remove the lock, remove this lock, and turn this over. Turn the wheel, and then it will go
stop.
Wala mag-stop. Wala mag-stop.
Papa, kaya lang.
Sila.
Yeah. Yeah. Go down. Like that. Like that.
Natin.
Okay. Like that. Okay.
This is the result when we tested
Matatanggalin na yun namin. Tatangan na lang eh. Ako na i-extend lang. Tatangan lang. Putik, putik.
6. Got to.
6.
Okay.
Double check niya.
Mm.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes.
Now change you 4.
6-0.
Okay, now change back to 4.
Yeah, okay. Ah,
Okay, I will come. Same.
Down, down. Okay. 4. Balik 4.
back to 4.
Tingnan na siya intel.
Okay, and then
Okay, going down. Okay, 40.
now
4-0.
Now change
Change 2. Ako to change. But minus. Okay. Tama ba niya? Ito. Enter.
May digit ba?
Okay, and then
Okay, going down.
okay.
Last 20.
Okay. Finito.
Yes, sir.
You remain. Yes. Okay. 650. Stop. See? 50. See me the emergency.
Yes, for start.
Yeah, for starting. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. So shout out to everybody, to all my subscribers. Thank you very much for your support. Thank you. Bye bye.